ito na, chapter 1163 of One Piece, yung pinaka-inaabangan natin and it did not disappoint. So tara, pag-usapan natin. Unang page pa lang, we get the menacing figure of Imu. And of course, yung sight ng humans na to, these insects, of course, eyesore to kay Imu. So anong i-expect natin sa next page? Siyempre, walang pinipili, Marine and Pirate Bloodbath, care of Imu. So now, the Marines are ordered to fall back and Roger orders his crew to fall back. At itong glorious Garp panel. What the hell is that freaking monster? What a fitting look for the head of those maggots. Yung maggots na tinutukoy niya dito, yung Celestial Dragons. So what a fitting look for the head of the Celestial Dragons. And of course, Marine indoctrination. You can't talk about the leader of the world like that. Vice Admiral, keep it down. Madali ka dyan. At kasunod nun, another glorious panel, Rock's moment naman. Hey, if it isn't the Rat King. At ang understanding ko lang dyan is really just calling Imu a traitor. Since common naman na you call traitors rats. So by calling Imu the Rat King is really just calling Imu the traitor of traitors. So thou art the one Davy Jones, acknowledging that this is the Davy Jones of this generation. Sabi ni Rock, so that said, I believe promises are meant to be kept. At ang title ng chapter na to is Promises. So the promise mentioned here may very well be, not confirmed, but may very well be that the promise passed down throughout the Davy clan is to exterminate the traitor. At kung yun ang layunin ng Davy clan, then that's precisely why you wretched ilk must be expunged from the annals of history. What a translation! Alam ko hindi pa to yung official, pero sana yung official makapture yung same level of emotion. At sabi ni Imu, Mu's world remains incomplete. At hindi niya sinabing Imu, sabi niya Mu. So magkaiba ba si Mu tsaka si Imu? At sino ba si Mu? So lapagan na ng theories dyan. At bakit remains incomplete? Ano ba yung complete world para kay Mu? At ano yung kinalaman nun sa mass flooding? Pero sabi ni Rocks, the world ain't yours. And of course, highlight na naman ng panel na to at gusto kong i-focus lang dito saglit. Marine indoctrination again, right? Amidst lahat nung nangyayari sa harap nila, clearly nakita nila na pinagpapatay yung mga kapwa nilang Marines. So clearly, this being in front of them isn't on their side. But because they are trained to protect the people above them, sinisisi nila? Si Rocks, right? Rocks, that crazy bastard, he's going after Saint Saturn. Diba? Amidst everything, amidst nakikita nila sa harap nila na kinakalaban niya si Saint Saturn. So, kailangan baka pa natin si Saint Saturn kasi siya yung kailangan natin protektahan. And we know Garp hates these people, so hindi siya yung babakapan niya. And I will be doing a separate video on Garp because I know you know my thoughts on Garp. So, gusto ko gawan ng separate video just to thoroughly explain Garp as a character. And from here on out, just pure action, no? The pirates fighting over the treasure. We have Dragon fighting for his life para matprotektahan